Hi everybody, welcome to our first episode of Quiz the Chemist. This is a chance for you, our Odo fans, to ask us here at Clean Control questions about our products and our chemistry. Now since this is our first episode, let me give you a little background about myself. My name's David Sexton. I'm the Technical Director of Research and Development here at Clean Control. I've been with the company about 6 years. I originally got my degree at Georgia Tech in Atlanta, Georgia. Go Jackets, what's the good word? And I still live right here in Warner Robins, Georgia, where Clean Control is based. Now let's start. We pulled a few questions from our Facebook feed. We're going to start with question 1 here from Miss Robin Smith Glass, who writes, "Hello there, OdoBan's biggest fan here. I have a question. I buy OdoBan by the gallon, at least 10 a week for my cleaning business. Thank you. So my question is, when I mix it with water, does it change how well it works?" Actually, Robin, yeah, it does. When you mix it with water, it works better. Water is a critical part of our formulations. The other chemicals we use in them, surfactants, solvents, fragrances, all work in concert with the water to get that job done. That's why if you look at any of our products, OdoBan disinfectant being a perfect example, there are directions for dilutions if you're supposed to dilute the product with water. Those dilutions are carefully calculated so you get the maximum effectiveness for the job you're trying to do when mixed at that ratio. So the answer is yeah, it changes how it works. It works better. Always follow the directions on those labels. Until next time, if you've got questions for the chemists here at OdoBan, submit them by Facebook, and maybe you'll be lucky enough to get picked next time, and we'll send you a little swag. So this is Dave the Chemist saying, happy trails.